We have the second sum, which is example 3.2. The question is, let the magnetic moment of a bar magnet, which is Pm, whose magnetic length is d is equal to 2 into L. So the whole length, that is denoted as 2L, and the pole strength. So pole strength on these two corners, which is denoted by the letter Qm. Calculate the magnetic moment when it is cut into two pieces. So one full magnet we are going to cut into two pieces. First one is along its length. Okay, so this is the length, is it not? So along the length we are going to cut. Next is perpendicular to its length. So perpendicular to its length is in this way. Okay, so when you are cutting like that, what happens? Okay, so that is what we are going to see. So when you see here, these are all the pole strength, which is represented by Qm, and same way this is a pole strength, which is Qm, and the length between this, which is given by this d which is equal to 2 into L. Okay, so we are going to apply this conditions when it is cut along the length and when it is cut perpendicular to its length, and we are going to find what happens to the magnetic moment. Okay, so first is, this is a magnet. This magnet, we are going to consider that this is a south pole and this is a north pole, and these are the pole strength Qm, and the length between that is 2L. Clear? Now this is going to be cut into two pieces like this, and so when it is cut into two pieces here, what happens is this pole strength becomes, it is divided by 2. So when you see the next one, you will know that this pole strength becomes Qm divided by 2 because it is cut into two pieces, is not? Same way here also it becomes 2m Qm divided by 2, but the length is the same, which is 2L. Okay, and using this, if you are going to find the magnetic moment, that magnetic moment, the formula is Pm dash is equal to Qm dash divided by 2L. Okay, now what is the value of Qm dash? Just now we saw that Qm dash is equal to Qm divided by 2 because it becomes half, is it not? So it is Qm dash is equal to Qm divided by 2. So instead of this, substitute this value here. So it is Qm divided by 2 into 2L. Okay, this can also be written as, so I am just writing 1 by 2 separately. So this becomes as 1 by 2 into Qm into 2L. Okay, now what is this Qm into 2L is? That becomes Qm into 2L. Here we are writing as Pm dash. Now this is just Qm, so this can be written as just as Pm. Okay, so it is half into Pm. So this gives here Pm dash. Okay, so this is when the object is cut along its length. Yes, clear with this? So this derivations will be written in the next step, but we have to know with this formula, which is Pm is equal to Qm into 2L. Clear? So this we are writing, and we are writing as 1 by 2 separately, Qm into 2L. This Qm into 2L can be written as Pm. Same way, when you are writing this as a vector form, this vector form we are writing it as Pm dash vector, which is equal to 1 by 2 into Pm vector. Yes, clear? Same way, the next condition is when it is cut along its perpendicular to its length. So here we are going to cut in this way so that it is perpendicular to its length. So when you are cutting in this way, what happens is this becomes as half. Okay, so this is split into two magnet now. Okay, and so this is already we know that which is south pole, and this side we know that which is already north pole, is it not? And so this side becomes the other south pole and the other side becomes the north pole. Okay, so we have all the values of Qm here also Qm, and this is again Qm, and same way here also it is Qm, and here also. Okay, so this is what which is happening to the magnet. Clear? Told you this magnet is split into two like this, Qm, again Qm, but the length we know that already, this full length from this point to this, the full length is what? It is given as 2L, is it not? in the first case we are splitting the magnet into this side, so the length becomes the same, only this QM is different. Here we are splitting the length, so this length becomes as L, this length again becomes as L. Okay, clear? So using this, if you are going to find the magnetic moment, we get it is cut into two pieces. The magnetic strength will not change, magnetic length will be halved. So the magnetic moment is QM into 2L. Instead of 2L, we are writing as half into 2L because the length is halved, is it not? Now again bring this QM separately. Okay, this QM into 2L I am writing separately, so that this QM into 2L can be written as again as PM. So we get the same formula, PM dash vector, which is equal to 1 by 2 into PM vector. So this is a case when you are splitting the magnet, which is split into half. Okay, thank you.